Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Done and Plan video. You join us as it's just starting to rain in Stonethwaite campsite. We've just pulled up now. James has been here for a while, so he's got his tent set up. Me and Jake have just arrived and we're taking James's one-man tent down and we're going to set this monster, Berghaus 700 XL. We're going to set that up now, but have a look at this for a view. What a place. Right, the rain has stopped enough now so that we can get the pitch going. So we've got 1 hour 12 minutes of daylight left. So I'm just going to set the tripod up, get a little time lapse going of us setting the tent up. Look at this ground sheet. That is just the ground sheet. There's Jake for a scale. That is huge. Right, we're pretty much set up now. Just built a little fireplace. We're going to get some wood on the go, get it warming, and then start tea. Let's go. I'll show you the tent as well, look. So this is what we're currently working with. James is pegging it all in. And this is our view of the tent. Beautiful. Here's the inaugural firelight here. Let's see if Jake's kindling's any good. It's looking good so far.
No, we've got fire.
Right, we've got the sausages on the grill, just testing it, seeing what it's like for heat. Also, we've got the little pan on a burner with those pork chops in. I'll show you inside the tent. Right, this is inside the tent now. This is my sleeping bag, the Beast, on that airbed. We are very much glamping, let's not get this twisted. That's Jake's there, and now we're going to put this carpet up in the tent. Check back soon. Right guys, carpet is down on the floor and it has made such a difference. I know it's hard to see right now. iPhone's not the best for filming in the dark, but carpet's down, sausages are cooking and it's good. We've just got 0 signal. Right, we're in the tent and as you can probably hear, it started raining pretty heavy, but what I'm going to do is use James's light and show you the sleeping setup. This is epic. So this is my bed, double air bed, sleeping bag. Jake's over here, but this is nightfall so you can't see. And then James has this little room down here. But this carpet in the tent is so warm. We're just chilling inside the tent. It's just gone after midnight now. Good morning guys, so we're up and we slept until 10:30 like absolute gods. Now we're leaving the campsite. Have a look around behind me, beautiful. We're going into Keswick and starting our day from here. So if you stay at Stonethwaite, this is the only place you can get Wi-Fi, this pub. Keswick is so busy today, but there is this little market on. We're just having a look, got some supplies. Got these camping chairs, I'll let you guess whose is who. Heading back the car, purchases in hand, back to booths, and then we're going to plan our day from here. So let's see what we get up to. Right, we're just back at the tent now. We've just repositioned our tents a little bit round and we're going to head up towards the pub so James can use the Wi-Fi for 5 and then don't know what we're doing, come back and make some food maybe. So we've just found the campsite and they even provide washing up liquid. How cool is that? So this is the toilet block. It's nice and clean actually. Like people say that this campsite gets bad reviews, but it's alright. Not bad at all. And then outside the toilet block is where the washing basins are on that side. And then down here, I think we're going to go on the bottom road. We're going down towards the pub now so James can use the Wi-Fi quick. Although this campsite's in an absolutely beautiful valley, there is zero reception. It's literally nothing but look around, like it's just hills everywhere. But like I say, this is the little valley we're in. Look around. It's absolutely stunning. These are the other toilets. These are like the overflow field, but to be honest, I think this field here, with this view, I think this might be nicer, you know. Plus you have this access road, which is easy to get in. Just walking back down now from the pub. This is the little valley. There's the pub. And this is the track back down. This is not the driving track, this is the walking track. The driving road is up there. Right, we're taking the bottom road back to our tent now and we're just checking out this little river down here. Just seeing what's around the campsite. Going to go back and do the dishes now with the provided washing up liquid and scrubbers. And then we're going to start the fire and have tea. Right, we're just back at the site now. Going to use this for the first time, my little striker. And we've got some kindling in the bottom. We're going to light it up now and see how it works. If this doesn't work, it's firelighters and a lighter coming, by the way. Ready? So we're just waiting for the last of the Chinese chops to shoot. There's some cooked ones just here. They're looking pretty good. We've got the fire up and going. It's a little bit different. The heat coming off this is insane. It's lovely. And now we're just chilling with a beer. Cheers, boys.
Cheers, boys.
But that has not gone well. Look, I am so dirty, but I'm not going to be last.